John F. Carter is a well-known trader, author, and educator in the financial industry. He has been trading for over 25 years and is the founder of Simpler Trading, a company that provides education, analysis, and tools for traders of all levels. Carter's expertise lies in options and futures trading, and he has developed numerous trading strategies that have proven to be successful in various market conditions. He is also the author of several books, including Mastering the Trade and The Simple Strategy. Through his books, webinars, and live trading events, Carter has helped thousands of traders improve their skills and achieve their financial goals. Intraday trading setups are strategies used to identify potential trades within a single trading day. These setups can be based on technical analysis, such as identifying support and resistance levels, or fundamental analysis, such as news events that may affect the market. By using these setups, traders can profit from short-term price movements in the market. One example of an intraday trading setup is the opening range breakout. This strategy involves identifying the high and low of the first 15 to 30 minutes of trading and entering a trade if the price breaks above or below this range. Another example is the moving average crossover, where a short-term moving average crosses above or below a longer-term moving average, indicating a potential trend reversal. Swing trading setups are a popular strategy among traders who seek to capture larger price moves over several days or weeks. Unlike intraday setups, which focus on short-term price movements, swing trading setups require patience and discipline to hold positions for longer periods of time. One of the main benefits of swing trading is the potential for bigger profits. By holding positions for longer, traders can capture larger price moves and potentially earn more money. However, swing trading also comes with greater risks, as market conditions can change quickly and unexpectedly. Traders must be prepared to manage risk and adjust their positions accordingly. One of the most important techniques outlined in John F. Carter's book is risk management. As a trader, it's crucial to have a plan in place for managing your losses and protecting your capital. This means setting stop-loss orders and adhering to them, even when emotions are running high. Successful traders know that they can't win every trade, but they can control their risk and limit their losses. Another key technique is technical analysis, which involves using charts and indicators to identify trends and potential entry and exit points. By studying past market behavior, traders can gain insights into future price movements and make more informed trading decisions. However, it's important to remember that technical analysis is just one tool in a trader's toolbox and should be used in conjunction with other strategies. In conclusion, we have learned about the expertise of John F. Carter in trading and his insights on intraday and swing trading setups. We have also explored some of the proven techniques outlined in his book, such as risk management and technical analysis. It is clear that successful trading requires discipline, patience, and a deep understanding of the market. By purchasing John F. Carter's book, you will gain access to these valuable insights and be one step closer to achieving your financial goals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from a true expert in the field. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.